In this video, I will show you how to fix your buttons on your PlayStation 4 controller when they are not working. We will be covering a few methods, so make sure to stick around, but before we get into them, try spamming the buttons that are not working. And after you're finished with the spamming of the buttons, try using your controller and see if that fixed those buttons, but if it didn't, move on to the methods. For the first method, make sure that the controller is connected to your PS4 by taking your cable and connecting it that way. So you take this part and you plug it at the top of your controller. Then you take the other part and you plug it into your PlayStation, the USB port. And now you can turn on your controller and see if this helped you. If it didn't help you, move on to the next method. For the next method, try resetting your controller. To do that, you will need a thin, sharp object, such as a toothpick, a bobby pin, or a SIM ejector tool, and then flip over your controller. And right here on the back, you should locate this hole right here next to the bolt. Then you take your toothpick or the other sharp object that you have, and you just plug it into that hole and press down. You hold it like this for a couple of seconds or until you see DualShock 4 disconnected in the top left. Now you can take your controller, flip it back over and press the PlayStation button, and now it's reconnected, and you should try using the buttons once again and see if they work. If they don't, move on to the next method. For the next method, get a thin piece of paper and try going around the edges of the buttons towards the inside of the controller. That way you can clear out any dust or other particles that might be stopping the buttons from working properly. For the last method, try blowing into the empty spaces between the buttons and the outer casing of the controller, or use an air can spray, and that way you can dislodge any particles or dust that might be stuck inside of that area, which might be stopping the buttons from working properly. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.